Hey, everyone! Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you. In the world of health and fitness, sometimes all we need is a little extra motivation and a new challenge to jumpstart our journey towards a healthier lifestyle. That's why, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the top 5 challenges that can transform the way you approach your health and fitness goals. These challenges are designed to be fun, engaging, and most importantly, effective. Whether you're just starting out on your fitness journey or looking to spice up your routine, these challenges can help you break through plateaus, stay accountable, and achieve real, sustainable improvements in your overall health. So, let's dive into these exciting challenges and get ready to transform your health and fitness one step at a time. Challenge number 1, the 30-Day Plank Challenge. The 30-Day Plank Challenge is an excellent fitness initiative aimed at bolstering your core strength and overall physical well-being. Planking, the core exercise at the heart of this challenge, is a deceptively simple yet highly effective isometric exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including your abdominals, lower back, shoulders, and even your legs. Here's how it works. At the outset of the challenge, your starting point is a modest 20-second plank hold on day 1. The brilliance of this challenge lies in its gradual progression. Every day, you'll extend your plank duration by a few seconds. By the conclusion of the 30-day period, your objective is to conquer an impressive 1-minute plank or perhaps even surpass that milestone. This methodical increase in duration allows your muscles to adapt and thrive over time. Engaging in the 30-day plank challenge yields a multitude of benefits. As your core muscles grow stronger, expect to see improvements in your posture, a reduced risk of lower back discomfort, and heightened stability during your daily activities. Moreover, a robust core is pivotal for various athletic pursuits, enhancing your performance by providing a stable foundation. Beyond the physical advantages, this challenge also cultivates mental endurance. Each day's effort hones your mental resilience and determination as you push past the moments when your muscles begin to quiver. Conquering these mental barriers can serve as a profound lesson in perseverance. Whether you're a novice embarking on your fitness journey or an individual seeking to break through a plateau, the 30-Day Plank Challenge is adaptable and accessible. It necessitates no special equipment, making it suitable for virtually anyone, anywhere. So, brace yourself for the rewarding burn and prepare to witness the gradual ascent of your core strength over the course of this 30-day adventure. Whether your aim is to sculpt your midsection, enhance overall fitness, or savor the sensation of growing stronger, the 30-Day Plank Challenge stands as a potent catalyst for achieving your health and fitness aspirations. Challenge number 2, the No Sugar Challenge. The No Sugar Challenge is a transformative endeavor designed to reshape your dietary habits and enhance your overall health. In our modern world, added sugars are often lurking in many foods and beverages, contributing to a range of health issues. This 30-day challenge aims to break free from the grip of added sugars and unlock a healthier relationship with food. Here's how it unfolds. Over the course of 30 days, you commit to eliminating added sugars from your diet. This means avoiding sugary snacks, sugary drinks, and foods with added sugars listed in the ingredients. Instead, you'll opt for natural sweeteners like honey or rely on the inherent sweetness of fruits when you need a sweet fix. The benefits of this challenge are substantial. By cutting out added sugars, you may experience increased energy levels, improved mood stability, and reduced cravings for sweets. You might even notice changes in your taste buds as your palate becomes more attuned to the natural flavors of foods. Additionally, this challenge can contribute to better weight management and a decreased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Navigating the No Sugar Challenge may require some diligence and label reading, but the rewards are well worth it. It's an opportunity to reset your taste preferences, stabilize your blood sugar levels, and foster a healthier relationship with the foods you consume. As you embark on this challenge, you'll discover the profound impact that sugar can have on your overall well-being. It's a chance to take control of your diet, make more mindful food choices, and experience firsthand the positive changes that come with reducing your sugar intake. So, prepare to bid farewell to added sugars and embrace a month of nourishing your body with wholesome, sugar-free choices. Challenge number 3, the 10,000 Steps Challenge. The 10,000 Steps Challenge is a fitness journey that centers around the simple yet potent act of walking. Walking is a low-impact exercise accessible to nearly everyone and boasts a wide array of health benefits. In this challenge, you'll commit to walking 10,000 steps each day for a duration of 30 days. Here's how it works. Using a pedometer or a fitness tracker, you'll monitor your daily step count. Your objective is to reach the 10,000 step milestone, which is roughly equivalent to walking around 5 miles, 8 kilometers, per day. This challenge encourages you to incorporate walking into your daily routine, whether it's through dedicated walks, taking the stairs, or parking farther from your destination. The advantages of the 10,000 steps challenge are multifaceted. Regular walking can boost cardiovascular health, improve lung capacity, and enhance circulation. It also aids in weight management, supports joint health, and contributes to mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. Additionally, it's an effective way to burn calories and promote overall physical fitness. Participating in this challenge is an opportunity to increase your daily activity level and develop a consistent fitness habit. By the end of 30 days, you may find that walking becomes a natural and enjoyable part of your routine, helping you feel more energized and active throughout the day. While the 10,000 step goal can be challenging, it's customizable to your fitness level. If you're new to walking or have physical limitations, you can set a lower initial target and gradually work your way up. The key is to stay active and make progress at a pace that's comfortable for you. As you embark on this challenge, you'll witness the transformative power of regular physical activity, and you'll cultivate a renewed appreciation for the benefits of simply putting one foot in front of the other. So, lace up your walking shoes, embrace the outdoors, and get ready to experience the positive impact of the 10,000 Steps Challenge on your health and well-being. Challenge number 4, the Mindful Eating Challenge. The Mindful Eating Challenge focuses on cultivating a more conscious and mindful approach to your meals and snacks. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to rush through eating without truly savoring our food or paying attention to our body's hunger and fullness cues. This 30-day challenge encourages you to change that by practicing mindful eating. Here's how it works. During this challenge, you'll commit to being fully present and engaged with your food. Begin by setting aside distractions like phones, computers, or television. As you sit down to eat, take the time to truly experience your meal. Pay attention to the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. Chew slowly and savor each bite, appreciating the taste and nourishment it provides. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals, and stop eating when you're satisfied, not overly full. The benefits of mindful eating are profound. It can lead to a healthier relationship with food, reduced overeating, and a greater appreciation for the meals you consume. By being present during your eating experiences, you may also notice improvements in digestion and a reduced likelihood of digestive discomfort. Moreover, mindful eating can help you become more attuned to emotional eating patterns, helping you make more conscious choices about what, when, and why you eat. This practice can be particularly helpful for those aiming to lose weight or simply develop a more harmonious connection with food. Throughout this challenge, you'll gain insights into your eating habits and discover the joys of savoring each bite. It's an opportunity to break free from mindless consumption and foster a healthier and more balanced relationship with your meals. By the end of 30 days, you may find that mindful eating becomes a natural part of your daily routine, contributing to your overall well-being. The Mindful Eating Challenge encourages you to change that by practicing mindful eating. Challenge number 5, the Fitness Class Challenge. The Fitness Class Challenge is a dynamic and engaging way to diversify your fitness routine. Staying motivated and committed to regular exercise can be a challenge in itself, but this 30-day challenge offers a solution by encouraging you to try a new fitness class or activity each week. Here's how it works. Over the course of 30 days, you'll embark on a fitness adventure, exploring different exercise classes or activities every week. This can include a wide range of options, such as yoga, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, dance, martial arts, spinning, or even outdoor activities like hiking or swimming. The key is to keep things fresh and exciting while discovering what forms of exercise you genuinely enjoy. The benefits of the Fitness Class Challenge are multifaceted. First and foremost, it prevents workout monotony by injecting variety into your routine. This not only keeps exercise fun and engaging but also targets different muscle groups and fitness components, providing a well-rounded approach to your physical well-being. Moreover, trying new fitness classes or activities can be a great way to socialize and meet like-minded individuals, fostering a sense of community and accountability. It can also help you break through plateaus and push your fitness boundaries, as different activities challenge your body in unique ways. This challenge encourages you to step out of your comfort zone, explore new horizons in fitness, and discover what truly excites and motivates you to stay active. By the end of the 30 days, you'll have a diverse repertoire of exercise experiences and perhaps even a newfound passion for a particular activity. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to keep things interesting or someone seeking to reignite your exercise routine, the Fitness Class Challenge is an exciting journey of exploration and personal growth. Get ready to break a sweat, have fun, and embrace the joy of movement. In conclusion, these challenges represent an exciting opportunity to embark on your health and fitness journey. Remember, it's not about striving for perfection, but about embracing progress and making positive changes in your life. Whether you're enhancing your core strength, re-evaluating your dietary choices, increasing your daily activity, or nurturing a mindful relationship with food, each challenge can contribute to your overall well-being in meaningful ways. Now, here's where you can take the next step. To access additional challenges, in-depth guides, and exclusive content that will support you on your journey, simply click the link provided in the video description below. We're here to help you achieve your health and fitness goals, every step of the way. And before we part ways, I want to ask for your support. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about our latest challenges, tips, and insights, all aimed at making your fitness journey more enjoyable and successful. Your support truly means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of our growing fitness community. So, let's continue this journey together. Stay motivated, stay active, and stay well. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.